morning, teacher. I am Ever Jesus Rebellon Angel. In this video, I am going to talk about vowel sounds. So, let's start. The first sound is the sound E. Like in key. I lost my key. The next word with this sound is the word chip. Who found the chip? The next word always with this sound is the word cheese. There is a piece of cheese. The next sound is the sound E, like in syrup. Take this syrup twice per day. The next word is the word dish. I broke that dish. The next word always with this sound E is the word mirror. Look at you in the mirror. So the next sound is the sound A, like in day. We're talking about my day. The next word is the word paste, always with the sound A. The paste is all over me. The next word is skate. I bought a pair of skates. The next sound is the sound F, like in red. The traffic light is in red. The next word is the word wet, always with the sound F. Warning, wet floor. The next word, always with the sound F, is the word test. I got a bad grade in my test. The next sound is the sound F, as in cat. I had a pretty cat. Always with the sound F, as in cat. I had the word man. He is a good man. The next word is the word pat. I don't want to pat my dog. So, the next sound is the sound A, like in R. I hurt my R. Always with the sound A, I had the word map. The map is over there. Another word with the sound A is max. This is my max. Let's continue with the next sound. Sound I, as in I. She has blue eyes. The next word with the sound I is the word fly. There's a fly in my soup. So, that's so bad. Always with the sound I is the word bike. Mary has a new bike. As you can see in the page, let's continue with the sound owl, as in vowel. This is the vowel U. Although with the sound out, I have the word pound. I want 3 pounds of chicken. Although with the sound out, I have the word down. The glass fell down from the table. Let's continue with the next sound, the sound air, like as in chair. I go to the chair every day. The next word is third. It's June 3rd. The next word is the word dollar. I have $20. Let's continue with the next sound, well known as chua. Sorry. The word is cup. I like to drink a cup of coffee. The next word is the word love. I love you, Abby. That's the name of my girlfriend. The next word, always with this sound, is the word nut. The nut is on the table. So, let's continue with the next sound. It's the sound oi, like as in toy. Alan has many toys. The next word is the word coin. Do you have a coin? The next word is the word noise. There is so much noise here. The next word and the next sound is the sound O, as in jaw. Cindy hurt her jaw. Also with the sound O, I have the word boss. My boss fired me. I have the word pork too, with the sound O. This pork is big. Let's continue with the next sound, is the sound O, as in the word coat. I had a new coat. The next word is the word bowl. A bowl is on the table. The next word is the word close. The store was closed. The next sound is the sound oo, as in two. I had 2 tickets. Although with the sound fool, although with the sound oo, I had the word fool. Did you say fool? He got angry. So, although with the sound oo, I had the word who. The girl whose father is here. The next sound is the sound oo, as in hooked. Hooks are much better. The next word is the word moon. Is the word moon. I see the moon when I'm thinking of you. The last word with this sound ooh, I have the word notebook. I lost my notebook in the school. So the next sound with the sound is like the sound chua. I had the word onion. I like to eat onion. The next word is the word cat. He got a cut here. The next word is the word under. Your pencil is under the table. And the next sound, and the last one sound, is the sound air. Like in air. There is much pollution in the air. The second word with this sound air is bear. My favorite cartoon is Angry Bear, as you can see in this t-shirt. So, Angry Bear. The last one word in this sound, in the all of the sound, is turkey. The last word in the last of the all sounds is the word turkey. We'll eat turkey in the dinner tonight. So, thank you for watching, teacher. See you in class.